They have given x by y is equal to z by w, that is equal to 2.5 by 1.5 means 5 by 3. Then value of x plus z by y plus w. I need to calculate sum of antecedent, sum of consequence. Addendum. Directly we can take x as 5. So 3 plus 3. So 10 by 6. That is 2 5s are 2 3s are. So answer is 5 by 3. So option is option C. 5x minus 3y by 5y minus 3x. They have given as 3 by 4. Find the value of x by y. Divide the numerator by y. So this will become 5x minus 3y by y, and denominator also by y. 5y minus 3x by y. This is equal to, they have given 3 by 4. So this will become 5x by y minus 3 by 5 minus 3x by y is equal to 3 by 4. If I go with cross multiplication, then this will become 4 into 5, 20xy minus 3 into 4, 12. Next, 3 into 5, 15 minus 3 into 3, 9xy. So if I take this minus 9xy to this side, 20xy plus 9y. So this will become 29x by y. So 15. If I take this 12 to that side, then it will become 27. X by y is equal to 27 by 29. None of these is the answer. They have given a is to b is equal to 3 is to 2, and b is to c is equal to 3 is to 5. Then I need to find a is to b is to c. Write b such a way that it should be below b only. So 2. So next, 3 into 3. Multiply this one, 9. 2 into 3 is 2, 6. And 2 into 5. This will become 10. This is one method. Second method. A is to b, they have given us 3 is to 2. And b is to c, they have given us 3 is to 5. So as here, I need to calculate a is to b is to c. So here c is not there. So keep whatever the preceding number is there. 2 is there. So keep 2. Here a is not there. 3 here. So 3 into 3, 9 is 2. 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 2, 10. X by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 7. 2x minus 5y plus 4z by 2y. I need to calculate. X by 2, y by 3. Find x is to y is to z. So how to calculate x is to y? This will become 2 is to 3. And y is to z. This will become 3 is to 7. So x is to y is to z will become 2 is to 3 is to 7. So they have given x means 2. So what I need to calculate? 2x plus 5. 2 into 2 minus 5 into 3 plus 4 into 7 by 2 into 3. This will become 4 minus 15 plus 28 by 6. So 11 minus 11, 28 minus 11, 17 by 6. They have given x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3 and y is to z is equal to 4 is to 3. Direct question. X is to y is to z is what? So 2 into 4 8, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 3. So 8 is to 12 is to 9. No. So none of these is the answer. Division of 750 in 3 parts in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 6. What is total? 9 plus 6, 15. 15 parts is equal, they have given 750. What is one part? 15. One part is equal to 50. Then 4 parts, 200, and 5 parts, 250 into 50 into 50, and 6 parts into 50. That is, to do this one option. The numbers 14, 16, 35, 42 are not in proportion. So they are not in proportion. The fourth term for which they will be in proportion means what I should keep in fourth term so that these will be in proportion. Proportion means what? 14 by 16 should equal to 35 by 42. So now this is not in proportion. So I have to change this 42 so that it will be proportion. So what I have to keep in the place of 42? 14 by 16, what is the value? 2 sevens are 2 eights are. So here also 7 by 8 should present. So if I take 5 sevens are, so 5 eights are, so 40 should be present. They have given x by y is equal to z by w, and y by x is equal to w by z. Implies means this is equal to y by x is equal to w. Which property it belongs to? If we change consequent to the antecedent, antecedent to the consequent, means interchanging of consequent and antecedent, or interchanging of the denominator and the numerator is called as, the property is called as invertendo. I told you already, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, means A by B is equal to C by D. Then invertendo is equal to B by A is equal to D by C. If P by Q, they have given P by Q is equal to R by S is equal to P minus R by Q minus S. This is called subtrahendo. For example, A, B, C, D are in proportion, means A by B is equal to C by D. So this will become A plus C by B plus D is called as addendo. A minus C by B minus D is called as subtrahendo. So in the same way, P minus R by Q minus S, differences of numerator and the denominator is called as subtrahendo. A by B is equal to C by D, means they are in proportion. Implies A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. What is this process? Okay. Componendo and dividend. What is the property it is? They have given as U by V is equal to W by P. U by V is equal to W by P. Then U minus V by U plus V is equal to W minus P by W plus P. None of these is the answer. 12 by 16 is equal, let us assume that it is x by 20. What is the value of x? So 4 4s are, 4 5s are, 4 3s are, so 5 3s 15. So option is C. They are in proportion. So 4 by x is equal to 9 by, this is one, 13 2, 26 plus 1, 27. So 27 here. Please calculate and tell me x value. 2 2s are, 9 3s are. So x is equal to 6. the mean proportional between 1.4 grams and 5.6 grams. So 1.4 and 5.6. Mean proportion I need to calculate. Let us assume that it is A. B we don't know. C is 5.6. So B is equal to square root of AC. So means square root of 1.4 into 5.6 I need to calculate. 14 6 are 84. So 14 5 are 70. 70 plus 8 78. So 2 decimal points are 7.84. So answer is 2.8. 28 square is equal to 784. They have given A by 4 is equal to B by 5 is equal to C by 9. I need to calculate A plus B plus C by C. So here from these equations try to find A is to B is to C. Here take two values first. This will become A by 4 is equal to B by 5. Means A by B I can take as 4 by 5, that means 4 is to 5. B by 5 is equal to C by 9. So then this will become B by C is equal to 5 by 9. This can be written as 5 is to 9. So as B is equal, so not necessary to change. So 4 is to 5 is to 9. A means 4, B means 5 and C means 9. 4 plus 5 plus 9 by C is equal to 9. This will become 9 plus 9, 18 by 9, that is equal to 2. 2 means option B is the correct answer. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3:4. There are two numbers are there, they are in the ratio of 3:4. If 6 be added to each term, so if I add 6 to it, then this will become 4:5. Then find the numbers. 3 4, what is the difference? 1. 4 5, what is the difference? 1. So directly we can take as 1 part is equal to 6. 1 part is equal to 6. Then initial, what are the ratios of numbers? So 3 parts is equal to, automatically it will be 18, and 4 parts is equal to into 6 into 6 24. So 18 24, option C is the correct answer. A by 4 is equal to B by 5. Then what can be right? Implement the component and dividend, where it will be A plus 4 by A minus 4 is equal to B plus 5 by B minus 5. So option B is the correct answer. A by B is equal to 4 by 1. They have given. Then what is the value of A by B plus root of B by A? Means 4 by 1, A by B, 4 by 1 plus B by A means 1 by 4. What is the value? Square root of 4 means 2. This will become 2 by 1 plus this will become 1 by 2. So take LCM 2. 1 2 is 4 plus 1. It is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means option A is the correct answer. Assume A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Then do this. You will get an answer. So this will become x by 2 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to y by 3 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to z by 1 plus 2 minus 3. This total will become x by 5 minus 1, 4, and y by 4 minus 2, 2, and z by 3 minus 3, 0. If we take x is to y is to z, then you will get 4 is to 2 is to 0. Directly we can take x value 4, y value 2, and z value 0. Or else you can calculate in this way also. X by y is equal to 4 by 2. And y by z is equal to 2 by 0. Then 4 is to 2, 2 is to 0. 4 is to 2 is to 0. Keep in this b minus c. B minus c means 2 minus 3 into 4 plus 3 minus 1 into 2. So a minus b into z means 0. It's not necessary to calculate. So minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Here 2 plus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So answer is option P.